Well, guys and girls, we got you guys something super special today. We got in a 2018 GTR Nissan, and it's the Nismo edition, all carbon fibered out, right there. So we didn't do anything on it, but we said we're gonna let you guys hear it. It's got a full 3-inch system on it, all the way back. We didn't touch anything on it. He thought he had an exhaust leak, but he doesn't, so it was just a rattle. Something was hitting and we just moved it. It's got 4-inch tailpipes, or whatever you want to call them, into 5-inch quad tips there and there, so the beast can breathe. And it's definitely a beast by all means of the word. All the way to the front and all the way to the back. There it is. Nismo GTR. Beautiful. Let you guys hear it in a second. We got something special for you guys today. We got a 2020 GT500 carbon fiber track package. The wheels alone are about $22,000. They're all carbon fiber, made in Australia. There and there. Okay, it's supercharged, and how many horsepower? 76. It's got 760 horsepower. Shout out to my boy.
Serpent Stains on YouTube.
What is it?
Serpent Stains on YouTube.
Serpent Stains on YouTube. If you guys want to check out his channel and subscribe. He brought this beauty in for us to take, we did something special on it. We did some little pieces for the back end. But this is the factory exhaust on it. It's supercharged. It's got a 5.2 liter V8. There's the catalytic converters. It's got a factory X-pipe, factory resonators, then 3-inch pipe all the way back, and it's got aftermarket, no, factory mufflers, but they're special mufflers just for this car. They make it. So we're gonna get him some baffles for the track. It was too loud for the track, so we made him some custom baffles that he's gonna insert whenever he goes on the track, so he can race it. And it's a 2020. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's what the exhaust looks like on it. True dual all the way back with an X-pipe. And massive 5-inch tips on each side. And it's got a carbon fiber hood too. I mean, not hood, wing. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. 2017 Chevy Corvette Stingray. We just did a muffler delete. It's got an aftermarket X-pipe system on it. And we put some 4-inch tips on it, quad tips. That's the old mufflers that were on it. That's what they also sound like. It's right there. You thought your neighbors hated you before? Yeah. You don't even know. My neighbors are a minute. Give it gas. Beautiful. Back it up. Again? Beautiful. Let me record it, like rev it a couple of times in the back if you don't mind. Go ahead. That comes factory like that. This is with sport mode. Again? Wow, yeah, big head. Big head. There's the sound decibels on it. Go ahead. It's like 115. Is that with it closed or open? That's open? Do with closed? Let's see how big of a difference it makes. Go ahead. Yeah, 106. I made a huge difference. Go ahead and back it out just straight. Park it there. Okay. Appreciate it, man. Enjoy it. Go ahead. What's that? Did you hear that?
Dude, blowing oil in the tailpipe.
It's water. Hey, mate. Beautiful.